What's poppin', everyone? It's Queen Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this very quick tutorial on how I achieved these beautifully defined, light, shiny, bouncy curls thanks to two products from the Bourn Beautiful Naturals line. As you can see, I am so happy that I even got this filmed today. Let me tell you. This is just one of those results that came out so perfectly. I just have to show you how I achieved these beautiful curls. So let's just get straight to the styling. All right, everyone. Here's how I am coming out of the shower. So as I said, we're just using two products today, the Bourn Beautiful Naturals Knot Free Detangling Light Spray, and I'm pairing that with the Bourn Beautiful Naturals Curl Please Curling Custard. So I love this pairing. You saw those results. They're bomb. Before I get into that tutorial though, I do want to quickly shout out Scrunch It. Listen, Scrunch It, let me tell you, they just came into my life. This was the best shower cap, absorbent shower cap I've ever used. It absorbed the perfect amount of moisture from my fine density hair. It was amazing. It's perfect. I still have enough water so that I don't have to use too much of my spray. It's great. Definitely check out Scrunch It. But yes, let's talk about this knot-free detangling moisturizer that I am applying on my hand and shallowly throughout my hair. So this knot-free detangling spray keeps your hair strands supple, silky, and nourished because with its coconut infused formula. It's great specifically for refreshing days. Let me tell you, I love to refresh with this because it gives me a lot of slip. This is not my first time using these products, so I do want to mention go light with the moisturizer if you're going to be pairing it with the Curl Please Curling Custard, especially if you have wavy to curly hair or fine hair. Okay, as you can see, I used only a pea-sized amount, maybe half a pea size, and I prefer to rake it through my hair with my fingers first, just because this is the most gentle way to and most effective way to distribute product through your hair, just because your fingertips can feel any parts of your strands that are still dry, whereas a brush can't do that. You might end up pulling out more product with a brush if you do it too harshly, and then end up applying more product when you don't need to and further weighing down your hair. That's why I like to apply product using just my fingers first. Now, as you can see, again, I'm using, that was probably half a pea-sized amount of the curling custard. And it is because, like I said, I have a very fine hair, fine density. And I want to stress this because this is not my first time using the custard. The first 2 times I used this pairing, I actually added too much of both to my hair and I weighed it down. So it's a tip I want to tell people, especially who are transitioning. If your hair is weak and can't hold as much moisture as it normally would, don't give up on a product. It might work for you later. Look at my face right now. Let me talk to you about this Scrunch It brush. I am Scrunch It's new ambassador. I just got this brush and the rest of the products in the mail 2 days ago. So this is my first time trying the brush out. That's why I had the funny face. I actually liked how well it smoothed down my hair. Whenever I use this brush from now on, because this is my first time, you see how shiny it is. That means every scale on the cuticle layer of my hair is laid down so that the light molecules can reflect from off of my hair. So that's why I really like the Scrunch It brush. It really gave me a smooth base to start scrunching with. So I have 3A/3B high porosity curls. That's why I like to encourage my curls by scrunching. That is what I'm doing right now. I just scrunch, scrunch, scrunch until my fingers can't take it no more. Or until I get tired. I just keep scrunching to encourage curl. And this is what I do right before I take the curls that frame my face and I brush them out to do finger coils in the front, which I'm about to do in a moment if I would stop scrunching. Let me tell you, I told you, I scrunch a lot. So here we go. I take the curls, a section of the curls, the ones that frame my face. I like more uniformity in the ones that frame my face. I don't like wonky looking curls. It's the perfectionist in me. So I take a little bit more, about a pump or two of the Knot Free Detangling Moisturizer to give me more slip in that section to allow me to finger coil with ease. The most important thing to remember when you're finger coiling is slip. Okay, that's why oftentimes when you're finger coiling with some kind of gel or something, it's very hard, especially something like flaxseed gel. You need a moisturizer like the Knot Free Detangling Moisturizer to give you the slip back. Okay, that's what's going to allow the hair strand, the section you're doing coiling, to glide effortlessly around your finger, so you don't cause tension on that strand and pull out, God forbid, pull out any strands from your hair. Okay, it should be effortless, just like that. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, just the section that frames my face. Smooth it down with the scrunch tip brush. I do like the clumps that the scrunch tip brush gives me, by the way. It's really, really nice. I definitely can't wait to try finger coiling with it. Instead of my fingers, you use the brush. That's a later tutorial coming. But like I said, I'm going to finger coil once again. But while I'm doing this, let me talk to you a little bit specifically about the ingredients of the curling custard. I really want to give you all the tips I can, because these two products, let me tell you, they may be a little bit heavy for fine and wavy hair, but ladies, thick, coarse hair, ladies, gents, type 4 hair types, 3C and type 4, this is what you should be using. Okay, this is amazing. For this whipped curling custard is amazing. It defines curls, it softens curls, it's perfect for twist outs and braid outs, and as you can see from my wash and goes, it's perfect for finger coiling, styling. I'm just going to continue to scrunch because I told you, scruncher over here. And look at those results. Look at that. From just using the smallest amount of my Knot Free Detangling moisturizer and Curl Please curling custard. Look at that perfect curl. Shining, defined, so soft, extremely bouncy. Look at all of that definition, but volume more importantly. I'm not afraid of a little frizz. Frizz is your best friend. That's where volume comes from. So I am so pleased with these results. Look at that. The whipped curling custard contains coconut milk, aloe vera, mango butter, amongst other amazing ingredients like hemp seed oil. My gosh, I can't stress enough. This is my third time finding the proper amount for my hair so that I can get these beautiful results. And my biggest tip, a little goes a long way for fine and wavy hair. Now for thicker and coarser hair types, let me tell you, this is going to be your best friend. Please look into Bourn Beautiful Naturals. You can check out my full blog written review on redcarpetcurls.com, and you can check out my other Bourn Beautiful Naturals wash and go tutorial where I used other stylers in their product line. So I use their leave-in and their gel if you're more of a leave-in and gel kind of person. If you're looking for softer curls, bouncy, less hold, this is more of a flexible hold, no cast or crunch, this is definitely your pairing. The Knot Free Detangling Moisturizer and the Curl Please curling custard. Honestly, these results don't lie. I am so happy. Definitely check out Bourn Beautiful Naturals and make sure you're subscribed to redcarpetcurls.com.